StoneX Finance and Trade Honest Review Watch before using. Most people get this wrong. They assume trading and financial services are only for experts, but StoneX provides tools for both institutional and individual investors, combining technology, market access, and advisory support. StoneX offers trading in commodities, foreign exchange, equities, and derivatives. One standout feature is its multi-asset platform, which allows clients to trade across markets from a single interface. This is especially useful for diversified portfolios and international trading strategies. Most people assume advanced trading platforms are overly complex. The surprising truth is StoneX provides account support, market insights, and educational resources to guide users. For businesses, they offer risk management, hedging, and treasury solutions. Another advantage is global access. StoneX connects clients to international markets, competitive pricing, and liquidity, making it easier to execute trades efficiently. Their reporting and analytics tools also help investors make informed decisions. However, there are some considerations. Fees, margin requirements, and minimum balances can vary depending on the asset or service. New traders should take time to learn platform functions and consider risk carefully. In conclusion, StoneX Finance and Trade is ideal for investors seeking professional-grade tools, global market access, and risk management solutions. Its technology, support, and diverse product offerings make it a strong choice for both individuals and businesses involved in trading. Subscribe for more honest finance and trading platform reviews before investing your money.